Here's how you can make
Middle Eastern churros!
Isn't this Mexican?
Shout out to the Mexicans.
It's not bad.
We add some ghee, the water buffalo butter,
No, this is regular butter.
the pink Himalayan mountain salt made by orcs.
Huh? Who?
Orcs.
Are we calling Pakistanis orcs? Because it's made in Pakistan.
No, my friend, the guys that are in the mine.
This man's calling Pakistani orcs.
No, he's being racist, my friend.
He's the one that said it.
I was referring that you buy your things from orcs.
I don't want to do this anymore with you.
Some sugar. Where does the sugar come from?
Oh, you tell me, man.
This is special water. He gives the cows a massage
Wagyu milk.
and give it a mix.
So now I add the flour, my friend.
Once cooled, we're going to add the eggs from a golden chicken. Mix it up like that. Now we bag into a piping bag. Can you say that 5 times? Bag into a piping bag. 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 How much can you bag in the piping bag?
We don't have an actual star tip, so I think we'll just make a slit in the bag.
Squeeze and cut these at 350 degrees. Just like that. Cut.
Is this how it's supposed to look?
Not at all, my friend. Head chef over here added more flour. Now we're gonna try it out again.
Let's add sugar into a pan, some water, a squeeze of lemon juice, crushed cardamom pods. Put this on high heat until it gets really thick. And then once they're fried, you can quickly dip them into your sweet syrup.
Add the pistachios so they're nice and pretty, you know.
It's like a donut.
It is quite cakey. But you can find
You
this
can
at
get
Shelby's.
this better at shelby's.ca, my friend.